In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of military style hiking slash motorcycle boots from the company NORTIV. That's how you would say that. And these are in a US size 9, and I got mine in black, but they come in a wide variety of colors. Take them out, get rid of the box. We don't need that anymore. Looking over the boots themselves, these look very premium, everybody. If you're in the market for like a good style of tactical military boot that at affordable cost, I recommend these. So let me just go over the boot themselves here. You can see it's kind of like that all around kind of diamond type tread where it's kind of like a good tread for about everything. It has a nice foam backing on it. This is very cushiony foam. There is seamless design through this whole area. You notice there's no seams in that whole area right there. And it's more like a tennis shoe meets a boot. So the padded ankles there have protecting around the ankle. It looks like there's a ripstop type nylon. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera there. You see that nylon? That's like a ripstop nylon. Now these are basically splash proof. They're not 100% waterproof. They have an inside zipper. So check out this inside zipper. I love these boots with this inside zipper where you can just put them on, zip them up, or if you don't want to untie them real fast, you just unzip them and then take them off. They work great stepping up on rocks, just kind of like walking around in mud, grass. These were very comfortable. They fit true to size, has a nice feel in the front and a little bit of protection right at the end, kind of like a bump right at the end of the toe. This is something I recommend for anyone that just wants a all-around military style tactical boot that doesn't break the bank. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got on the NORTIV military tactical boots. See you all in the next video.